Hi, Clark F. Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy, owner of First Rate Mortgage. Been serving clients for over 22 years in both residential and commercial lending in 5 states. I want to talk about today something that just happened a week ago. We were serving a client doing a refinance for their condominium. And with condominiums, at least in the state of Utah, they have a master insurance policy, in other states as well. Master insurance that covers, certain things for the condominium. And each FHA, VA, Fannie, Freddie have certain requirements that's necessary for the insurance coverage per state laws, per city laws. And so they have to meet the eligibility for FHA, VA, and Fannie and Freddie. And they have to recertify on a regular basis as well with each of them to make sure that that coverage is appropriate of what FHA wants it to be, VA, and Fannie and Freddie. So we're into the process. We ordered it immediately. Sometimes they take a bit to get the HOA docs, depending on the HOA and how big it is and if it's really small. So sometimes it takes a bit. So once we got it over to the lender to have them review it, the master insurance policy. And unfortunately, they opted out of a particular insurance on this coverage. And so it was not eligible for Fannie and Freddie. And therefore, we could not do the deal. Nobody in the country, because Fannie Freddie says this is what it needs to look like for these condominiums to be acceptable for financing for Fannie Freddie. Unfortunately, it wasn't. So we had to reach out to the HOA board, got a hold of the board, told them the situation, and it took them a few days to remedy it, but they said, oh, okay, we'll go ahead and get that coverage taken care of. We got the policy back, and we'll be able to take care of the client. But unfortunately, those things happen. So you just want to make sure when you're buying a condominium that you talk to the real estate agent, get the HOA information, and make sure to reach out to a lender like myself to find out if that policy is sufficient for the financing that you're wanting to do, whether it's FHA, VA, or Fannie Freddie. So what I'm talking about there is making sure the coverages, the minimums, that it makes it an eligible property for condominium and for FHA, VA. If you have any questions, pretty simple. Reach out to Clark Harvey at 801-557-8540 if you have any questions. Thanks, and have a blessed day. And don't forget to subscribe in the links below for our YouTube channel and all the other areas that we're on. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
You've been listening to Clark Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy. Clark is a licensed mortgage loan originator, NMLS number 240452, and his company, First Rate Mortgage, NMLS number 1172332. You can get a hold of Clark at area code 801-562-9100 or at his website at www.thebbqmortgageguy.com.